begins with breaking news.
And good morning. I'm Jason Martinez.
I'm Virginia Cha. Let's get right to that breaking news. Words you never want to hear on your flight: suspicious device.
And that's what the pilot told passengers on a plane from Newark to San Diego. 10 News reporter Jared Aarons live at Lindbergh Field. And Jared, that flight had to make an unexpected stop.
Yeah, terrifying layover, Jason, for United Flight 1243. Just hours into the flight, passengers say they heard a buzzing sound coming from one of the seats.
It's like an alarm, like a buzzing alarm, like a oven alarm.
And because of that, the plane made an emergency landing in Denver. This picture shows some of the tense moments for passengers who had to get off the plane while emergency vehicles surrounded it. The FBI and a bomb squad searched the plane. They said everything was safe, no dangerous device found on board. United Airlines told all the passengers to then get back on the plane, and it flew to San Diego. Our 10 News breaking news tracker was here when they arrived around 1 a.m. Bleary eyes, but relief on their faces at baggage claim. One passenger says people kept calm during the layover, even though they feared the worst.
Certainly a word you do not want to hear on a plane is suspicious device. And, well, the first thing you think of course, is something dangerous, like a bomb or something like that. And thank God it turned out it was really nothing, I think, and everything turned out okay.
The FBI didn't make any arrests or question anybody. We haven't found out. We're trying to look into what they found on the plane that was making that weird sound. As soon as we know, we'll bring that information to you. Live at Lindbergh, Jared Aarons, 10 News.